Good morning, all of you. See, children, we are discussing lesson about our planet. What is our planet, Nana? Earth is our planet. And what we have discussed in our previous class, we have discussed about the pollution in our previous class. Okay. Today, this paragraph we have to discuss, children. This paragraph we have to discuss. Oil on the oceans can be extremely harmful. It floats on the surface, covering everything in its path. Spills occur when oil wells leak or when ships carrying oil have an accident. See, now it is very dangerous that the oil which floats on the sea. Sometimes what happens, how that oil comes into the sea. Sometimes there are the oil mines down the sea. Sometimes when we are extracting the oil from that mines, the pipes which we are using, it may have leak. If it is having leak, oil all spills on the sea water. Sometimes big ships are carrying oil tanks from one place to the another through the sea route. That time if by accidentally any tank or any accident happens there, the oil present in the ship splits on the sea. So the oil, when it splits on the sea water, it causes very harm to the animals present in the sea. అది మనకి మంచిది కాదు, అక్కడ ఉండే యానిమల్స్ కి మంచిది. It pollutes the whole water of the sea. Small oil spills further away from land may be broken up by the waves or by spraying strong detergents onto them. See, Nana, if the leakage was little bit, we can easily correct it. If the leakage was more, we can't. If the leakage was split was little bit, Nana, we can use the detergents or any water or anything to clear the sea water. But if there is a lot of oil on the sea, we can't do anything. We have to just wait. Okay, in 1996, a tanker called the Sea Impress ran into the rocks. Sea Impress అనే ట్యాంక్ నన్న 1996 లో ఏమైందో చూడండి దానికి. How it happens. In 1996 nana, Sea Empress ran into the rocks, got stuck near the coast of the South Wales. The impact of this was so huge that 72,000 tons of crude oil leaked into the sea. Anta crude oil, anta oil leak ayindi nana. See how much oil it here leaked nana. 72,000 tons crude oil leaks. 72,000 crude oil leaks. It took more than a year to clean up the oil spill, and it takes 1 year to clean this split. How can we help? See, children, this is all about the story, Nana. I request you members to read the story more times. See, Nana, the exercises given on page number 54. Gas and oil are found under the ocean floor. B, Nana, correct answer B. What is the correct answer for the given question, Nana? B. Page number 54, children. A Roman, first one. B answer. Under the ocean floor. Under the ocean floor. Okay. Coming to the second question, children. Salt and magnesium are examples of minerals. See, minerals. Okay. Coming to the third one, hurricanes and cyclones are a type of storms. A. సముద్రంలో ఉత్పన్నపడే గాలులు. Next, children, fourth one, tsunami begin under the sea. అంటే earthquake under the sea అనుకున్నాం కదా. సునామీ అంటే ఏంటి? Under the sea. ఆన్సర్ కూడా C. ఓకే. Coming to the fifth one, Nana, plastic objects are a particularly common form of rubbish? C. Rubbish. Coming to the sixth one, children. An oil spill is a problem because oil floats on the sea. ఫ్లోట్స్ అంటే పైన పైన తేలుతూ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఆయిల్ బరువుగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి వాటర్ కన్నా. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే చిల్డ్రన్ వీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద చూస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ గివెన్ టు యూ నన్న ఆన్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 54. ఓకే, టుడే యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంప్లీట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 55 by yourself. What is it, Nana? Page number 55. If you see, Nana, these are the blanks given to you. See, blanks given to you, and they have given the jumbled word side. You have to fill the correct word. Okay, I will tell today, Nana, this Roman. Later on, one Roman I will give you for doing the work at home, because you members are not at all doing work. So I am rubbing this. I will write only the words, children. I will write only the words. I am not going to write the blanks, because it will take more time. See, page number 55. Okay, first A Roman, first one. What is that spelling? Environment. 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 Okay. Second one, pollutes. 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 Next one, third one, rainforest. RAIN. Rain. FOREST. Rainforest. Next, fourth one, children, climate. 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 Fifth one, children, endangered. 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 Sixth one, habitat. 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 Seventh one, children, pollution. 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 Sorry, not seventh one, pollution completed. Eighth one, global. 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 Ninth one, ecosystem. Ninth, eco. Eco. Okay. The 10th one, natural. 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 Okay, children. So in this way, Nana, I have completed page number 55. Tomorrow we will discuss, Nana, remaining exercises related to the chapter. Read the lesson, underline the nouns and circle the verbs. Very interesting. This is the story about our planet. You should know about our planet. Okay, children. If you read few of the knowledge, you will get little bit knowledge you will get from the story. Okay. Have a nice day, all of you.